Ellen rules. She uses her celebrity influence to bring joy and love to the world. She's all about light, love, and positivity. She does good for those in true need. She gives back, and that's why so many love her. Teachers have it tough. Many have walked out of the classroom and formed picket lines to protest low wages and lack of resources. These generous, patient, and caring individuals are overworked, underpaid, underappreciated, and continue to have their financial and classroom resources slashed. One woman, named Rachel Faust, a first-grade teacher from Miami, took matters into her own hands, and she ended up changing the lives of her students and those attending her school. It all started during class when one of her students kept falling asleep at her desk. Rachel took the little girl out into the hallway to scold her. It was here that she'd learned a terrible fact that's all too common for many students across the country. The student was starving. Her last meal had been lunch the previous day. 90% of the students in the inner city school come to class hungry. "I'm so sorry, Miss Faust. I'm just so hungry. I missed breakfast and we haven't eaten since lunch yesterday," the little girl said. This tragic news broke the 24-year-old's heart. She couldn't change the home situations of these kids, but she vowed to make their time at school joyful and positive. With the hard work and help of staff, the students in this poverty-stricken area achieved A levels in state testing. Because of her love and dedication to her students, Faust was featured on Ellen. The talk show host told Faust that she was to be featured in a segment showcasing people doing good across the country. The passionate teacher was assigned to her school. She didn't want to leave. As she sat with Ellen, she spoke of her pride in her students and how humble she was to be part of such a fantastic group of professionals. "I'm not facing hunger. I can go home and cook myself a warm meal. I know where my bed is at night. My babies don't, and they come here with a smile on their face," Faust said. "The very least I can do is come in with a smile on mine." Faust didn't know the surprise Ellen had in store for her in her school. The teacher revealed she spent $1,000 of her own money to purchase supplies for her classroom. Faust wouldn't have to use any more of her funds to be sure her kids had all they needed. Ellen partnered with JCPenney to donate $100,000 to the school. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.